Welcome. If you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network in your Motorola Moto E7i Power, at first you have to open notification panel and open the Wi-Fi settings. As you can see, I'm currently connected with this network, but I'm going to switch from Zenfone 7 Pro. Input your password, click here to show your password, and then click connect in the right bottom corner. Take a look right now, we are successfully connected. As you can see, we are online. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.